Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best hot chocolate makers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Bodum Chocolatiere Glass Hot Chocolate Maker. Another one for you, Bodum Chocolatiere comes with not only a special but also a unique design. For this reason, it looks different from conventional ceramic chocolate jugs. It offers you better services with dramatic results. The containers and the handle of this mode are made of sturdy, top quality of raw materials. Look at how reliable this device is. Moreover, the lid of this hot product is made of plastic with the silicone gasket and stainless steel for extra tightness. Indeed, with Bodum, you can get a superb microwave-compatible jug that makes hot chocolate drinks. Because of its dishwasher, this device brings safety to everyone using it. At number 4. VEVOR 400W Commercial Hot Chocolate Machine. VEVOR 400W is a chocolate beverage dispenser that has uniquely gained popularity. This device 5-liter capacity ensures satisfaction for your entire family. It is easy to set and regulate its temperatures from 30 to 90 degrees Celsius for better results. However, you are advised to keep temperatures at 60 degrees Celsius. It's easy to read and get high temperatures when in operation. Don't forget that this is a hot chocolate maker can help to prepare hot milk for a longer time. With it, no clamps. At number 3. Casara Milk Frother. Another worth pondering automatic milk frother is Casara. The hot chocolate maker is just a top class packed with features like frothing technology and innovative induction heating. It also has detachable stainless steel that makes it durable, easy to use. Additionally, it has LED working indicator and automatic shut-off when everything is done. The device brings you multiple choices for every person favor. Either you want cold frothy milk or hot chocolate, Casara will give you the best results. With unique frothing rack that is detachable, you can create a perfect frothing action. For easy cleaning, just place a jug in the dishwasher. Everything will be safe. At number 2. Capresso 202.04 frothPRO Automatic Milk Frother. Capresso is a strong built, works great and super easy to use. This milk frother is extremely quick. If you're planning to upgrade your own chocolate or coffee beverages, then this milk frother could be your choice. It produces a perfect frothed milk for hot chocolates, café lattes, and cappuccinos. It has a large capacity to prepare both frothed and steamed milk action. It comes with a unique heating disc suitable for hot or warm milk that is perfect for hot chocolate and lattes. Don't forget about its illuminated controls for selecting warm, hot or cold milk. Moreover, it has a special removable milk pitcher, hence easy to clean. Its great work is recommendable. At number 1. Cresso Froth Max Automatic Milk Frother. Capresso Froth Max can make tasty and delicious hot chocolate. It has a large capacity, thus you can make many mugs of beverage. With it, you only require less effort to get maximum frothy milk. You have a wonderful chance to enjoy the milk. With 3 temperature settings, namely warm, hot and cold, the model gives you different mode during hot chocolate preparation. Also, one can choose to use either chocolate syrup or freshly grated chocolate for preparing the drink. Note that even chocolate powder works amazingly with it. Moreover, it has a removable milk pitcher that is made from BPA-free plastic and safe dishwasher. This will provide safety for the user when operating it. Remember that Capresso weighs just 2 pounds, making it a handy and comfortable hot chocolate maker. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.